How to open the suitcase if you forget the password? Today, I will give you another tutorial. You must remember to save and forward this tutorial because I may be able to help you or your friends at any time. When you are in urgent need, now this lock, when the password is wrong, the switch cannot be pressed, and then the red button cannot be turned. How do we unlock it now? Where should we stare at? Look at this position, friends. Can you see it? Next to 3, next to 5, and next to 7, there is a position where the shaft is exposed. Let's stare at this place and put this lock, the box in a place with sufficient light, or turn on the light of your mobile phone to shine on it and look at it from directly above. Friends, what kind of small gap is it? Turn the number and stare at the side to see it. Okay, turn to the position of 0. Friends, can you see it? The color has changed. There is now a small gap at this position. See it or not? It is right next to this position. Turn it again to make it completely exposed. Okay, this small gap is completely exposed, and it is a 1. Use the same method to find all the 2 digits behind it. The position of 2, here is a small gap. Can you see it clearly, friends? It is right here. The color has changed. It is a small gap. Turn it again. Okay, 13. Follow the same method for this number. This is 1131. At this time, you can try the switch. Some locks can be opened now, but my lock still can't be opened. What should I do? Turn 5, 3, and 1 at the same time. Turn 5 at the same time. It is 686. Numbers greater than 10, friends. Add the numbers that add up to more than 10 and take the last digit. Understand, friends? Come on. 1, 3, and 1. I will now turn it to 686. Aim at this red button. My lock can now be opened.